Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Firdaus Arasid. You can call me Firdi or Firdaus. I live at Probolinggo City. In here, I will presentation about description of tourism place in Wakatobi National Park. Okay guys, first of all, in Wakatobi National Park, we can diving in One Mohote and Lautomia. The main activity when visiting Wakatobi is to dive into its spectacular underwater beauty. You can use almost all of Wakatobi waters as a place for diving or snorkeling, but the most popular ones are One Mohote in Wangi-Wangi and Roma Reef in Tomia. Roma Reef is one of the name's famous coral group that is the most busy compared to other corals. Located at a depth of 15 to 25 meters, you can see the colorful coral reef and rows of fish that swim regularly and other beautiful marine animals. This spot is also safe for those of you who are just learning to dive. Other interesting diving locations in Tomia are Cornucopia and Coral Garden. Don't worry if you cannot dive. The natural scenery above the water is no less beautiful. One of the best places to see dolphins is at Mola Raya Harbor, which can be reached in 20 minutes by chartered boat from Wansi City, Wangi-Wangi. Okay guys, next we can enjoy to the Hifin Park, Tomia Peaks. As the name implies, the tourist destination is very famous for its beauty. Kahayangan Peak, which is located on Tomia Island, is a grass hill that presents a spectacular view of Wakatobi from a height. Located 30 minutes from Yusuku, East Tomia, this place is a favorite location for photographers to watch the sunset. You can also spend the night in hilly areas and enjoy the view of Tomiya's starry sky away from the light pollution of the city. In the morning, you will be greeted by the view of the sunrise with its warm rays. You can get all this impressive experience at the peak of heaven. Okay guys, next we can cave with unique freshwater pools, natural beds of Hendaopa. Hendaopa natural beds are located in Wawotimo village, the peak of Mount Tomia. This bed is very unique because it is in the form of cave that goes into the ground. From the outside, the place looks like an ordinary hole, but inside it forms a clear and beautiful freshwater pool. Hendaopa natural beds are still not widely known by tourists, so it is not surprising that access to this location is also very limited edition. Okay guys, next we can bathing in a pool that makes you match easy. Kontamale Cave. Wakatobi is a quick name famous for its natural attraction and the flow of groundwater is in it. There are recorded as many as 12 caves scattered on the island of Wangi-Wangi, Kaledupa, and Tomia. One of the popular ones is Kontamale Cave in Wansi, Wangi-Wangi. This cave is also often referred to as Goa Telaga because the water at the lip of the cave resembles a lake. On the ceiling of the cave, there are many stunning stalactites. With its clear water, many residents use this cave a resource of water for bathing and washing. However, the water in this cave is never cloudy. It's even said that bathing here can make your partner easier. So for those of you who are still single, don't forget to stop by here. Okay, next we can visiting Thousand Turtle Island, Anano Island Beach. The island, which has the nickname Thousand Turtle Island, is a small uninhabited island in Wakatobi. It is called by the Thousand Turtle because this is where the garden and house-built turtle colonies are located to lay their eggs. This beach is also very beautiful with fine white sand and their clear beach water. So it is guaranteed that you feel at home for a long time here. Don't miss the sunset view at Hanano Beach, which can make you happy. Okay guys, next we can hip hip hurrah at Cemara Beach Island. Cemara Beach is one of the most modern beaches in Wakatobi. The location is not far from the city center of Wangi-Wangi Island. Public facilities for tourists are also quite complete. Here, you can easily find food stalls to just fill a hungry stomach. For those of you who cannot dive, here there is a diving course ready to teach you. In addition, you can also do many water games such as banana boat, which is fun and exciting. Okay guys, next in Wakatobi National Park we can snorkeling on Sumbu Jetty. There are many enchanting snorkeling spots scattered on this Wangi-Wangi Island. When the afternoon arrived, the snorkeling spot Sumbu Jetty had prepared itself is a very good host. Beautiful clothes, calm wave, clear water, beautiful colorful loose corals and various ornamental fish and dancing foam have put themselves in their respective position. The starry bright as the entrance seems to have opened the door of his head. wide and allow you to enter without any condition. It only takes a smile and joy to be warmly received by this Sumbu Jetty snorkeling spot. Laughter always fill the seconds that I enjoy while cycling this snorkeling spot until finally the host served the main course, namely the view when the sun was setting, which managed to amazing the eyes. It is so good that God so give heaven Indonesia beautiful island to charm. Enjoying Wakatobi, the warmth of the sunset at the Sumbu Jetty with best friend has left a trace in this heart that will not to lost by the times and is truly a place to remember. Okay guys, next I will explain about Wakatobi National Park schedule. Okay guys, Wakatobi National Park schedule is a 4-day 3 nights. Okay, next, day 1. The tourists will gather at the meeting point, document check-in, waiting for the flight. Tour leader, flight cabin crew take the flight Jakarta Southeast Sulawesi flight. The tourists will enjoy in the airport. The 3. Then tour leader pick up participant from the airport. Next, the 4. The tourists will head to and check in Naya Matahora Island Resort. Okay, next, the 5. The tourists to do rest, pray duhur, have lunch at the Naya Matahora Island Resort. Next, the 6. The tourists to do snorkeling on Sumbu Jetty. Okay, next, the 7. The tourists back to the resort, Maghrib prayer and dinner. Next, the 8. The tourists visiting the Wakatobi night market. Next, the 9. The tourists back to the resort. Okay. The 10. The tourists will free program at the resort. Okay guys, next I will explain the second day in Wakatobi National Park. The first, the tourists wake up, subuh prayer, bathing, cleaning the room at the resort. Next, the second, the tourist breakfast at the resort. Next, the third, the tourist journey to the mangrove Waiti. Next, the fourth, the tourists explore the mangrove Waiti. Next, the 5, the tourists go to Kontamale water cave. Next, the 6, the tourists swim in the Kontamale water cave. Next, the 7, the tourists back to the natural beds of the Hendaopa. Next, the 8, the tourists bathing in the natural beds of Hendaopa. Next, the 9, the tourists will back to the resort. Next, the 10, the tourists to do duhur prayer, lunch, free program at the resort. Next, the 11, the tourists to do the journey Cemara Wahha Beach. Next, the 12, the tourists to do rafting on the Cemara Wahha Beach. Next, the 13th, the tourist trip to the resort, Maghrib prayer, dinner. Next, the 14th, the tourist will be free program at the resort. Okay guys, next I will explain the Thursday in Wakatobi National Park. Okay guys, the first, the tourists to do subuh prayer, wake up, bathing, cleaning the room at the resort. Next, the second, the tourists to do breakfast at the resort. Next, the third, the tourists to do journey to one more hotel. Next, the fourth, the tourists to do diving in one more hotel. Next, the fifth, the tourists journey and explore diving in one more hotel. Next, the fifth, the tourist journey to the Kontamala cave. Next, the sixth, the tourists explore the Kontamala cave. Next, the seventh, the tourists going to the resort. Next, the eighth, the tourists to do duhur prayer, lunch, and free program at the resort. Next, the ninth, the tourists will travel to the Tomia Island. Next, the 10th, the tourists enjoying the sunset at the peak of Kahyangan, Tomia, then rinse a speedboat and then diving in the Tomia Sea. Next, the tourists will travel to the resort, pray Maghrib, dinner at the resort. Next, the tourists to do free program at the resort. Okay guys, next, in day 4 in Wakatobi National Park. The first, the tourists wake up, subuh prayer, bathing, cleaning the room at the resort. Next, the second, the tourist breakfast at the resort. Next, the three, the tourist trip to the Turtle Island. Next, the fourth, the tourist diving on the island of Thousand Turtle. Next, the fifth, the tourist boat transfer to Wangi Wangi Island, then Bajo Resort to take a shower, pick up, have breakfast while on a city tour. Next, the tourists to do check out the resort. Okay, next, the tourist delivery to the airport, fly from Southeast Sulawesi to Jakarta, back to their homes. See you on the next trip. Okay guys, next I will explain you about pricing of Wakatobi National Park. First, in the transportation, total cost for transportation in Wakatobi is 38,656,000 rupiah. Okay guys, next, in the accommodation, total cost accommodation in Wakatobi National Park is 33 million rupiah. Next, on the attraction ticket and attention, total cost is 16,370,000 rupiah. Okay guys, that is from me. More or less, I'm sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.